Introducing the Precision Ladder's Automatic Super Simplex. It is a disappearing ladder which is fully automated for ease of use. The Automatic Super Simplex is operated via wireless wall-mounted keypad. No need for a lock, pull-down rope, or operating pole. The authorized personnel just enters the personalized PIN to gain access to the roof or attic. With wireless capability, the Automatic Super Simplex can be operated from above and or below the ceiling. This particular unit is designed for custom ceiling heights from 8 to 13.5 feet. The Automatic Super Simplex is built with an 11-gauge steel frame for strength and durability. The treads and side rails are made from extruded aluminum for long-lasting life of the ladder. The ladder is rated for a load of 500 pounds. The unit contains a powerful 24-volt DC motor that provides an ultra-quiet operation, along with variable speed to provide a smooth start and smooth stop. In addition, the motor has an enclosed gear case, which provides continuous lubrication and protection for longer life and smoother operation. A 6-foot-long 120-volt 15-amp power cord makes connecting to a power source easy. In the event of a power outage, the unit includes an EverCharge standby power system, which will allow the stair to be operated for up to 10 full cycles within a 24-hour period. To ensure safety, the Automatic Super Simplex meets the requirements of American National Standards Institute A14.9.